How to insert PDF file in Word. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can insert PDF file in Word. So let's just get started with the video without any delay. So in order to insert the PDF file in Word, once you have located your Word document, all you need to do is go ahead at the top in the Insert tab, this one right here, and open it up. Once you open it up from this menu, from this options available, you need to go ahead and select this option called Object, this one right here under Date and Time, and you need to go ahead and select the subject. So this option allows us to place any document in our Word document. So you can just go ahead and use this option called Create from File, and under this Browse section, you can go ahead and browse your PDF file from your device. Just go ahead and tap on it, insert it onto your device, click on OK after that is done. You can also use this option, Design as Icon, Display as Icon, and Link to File, and click on OK. Once that is done, it will be placed under your PDF. So you can just place it wherever you want according to your preference. So that is it for now. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on next time.